Let's see. How's the sound? Is the sound okay? Hello, gamers. Sound seems good. Yep. I be live. Alrighty. I added the horns yesterday, and I want to keep them. I think they look good. They add to the character. So I'll move them here. These ones I will move a little bit down. Wait. Not what I wanted. I just wanted to move the horns down. Right? Yeah. Ah, I didn't move it up. Okay. For these I need this one. Yep. Okay. How do I do it from behind? I guess we could edit here too, and then hi Ninja. The stream's going crazy. What do you mean? Like the how do you say this? The sequence? The streak? Or is something wrong with the stream? What do you mean? All right. What's the shortcut for set properties? Is there a shortcut? The streak. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was debating if I want to stream today because I only have like 1 hour. I was like, might as well. You know, then I can at least get 1 hour into the game done. Oh, so you like Wanderers more? I can call you Wanderers. I don't mind. Okay, Wanderers. You could have told me that earlier, man. It's like, how many days is that now? Okay, I think that looks okay, right? Or does it look weird? I think it looks okay. Okay. Maybe? Probably, yeah. It's not that long. It's easier to say. Shorter. Wondrous. Yeah, I think that might be it. Right. I'll copy this here and I will remove one of them, I think. Or we could mirror it and see if we can what's the mirroring there? That's the one. Like this? What do you say? And then we could make the other one go behind or maybe delete a little bit of the frames, of the pixels. Let me see. Cozy. Like this. Or does it look bad? The horns fit? I'll let you like it. I wasn't so sure yesterday, but now I like it. We will see what I'll think tomorrow about it. You know what I mean? Like you did yesterday with your model. I have the same thing. Like something that I like today, I maybe won't like tomorrow. Oh, nice! That's great. Huge. That motivates me to keep going. I wish I had more hours in the week to do that. Yeah, nice. I also do that from the time that I'm like, but like I said, sometimes there's like a it feels shitty to look at something basic, and then I will whip out something to at least make it look unique, I guess. I think that's why. No, this isn't why the character started. I started doing this character because one of our developers complained that the game looks too boring. Almost done with scene loading and made a character loading. Okay. That's nice. I'm guessing you're using addressables for that. Just a hunch. Okay. Yep. Okay, let me just... I need some... I can do it later, whatever. So I'll just copy this over here. Nope, that did not work as expected. Over here. Flip it? Yeah. Is that the correct spacing? Yes, I think it is. Okay. Okay, now we have horns. Huge. Huge success. Now let me check the animation again. I don't know about the hair. I'll keep it there for now, but it might be too distracting now because it's too close to the horn. You don't even see like the squirrely line right now. You know what I mean? I feel like with me using a lot of addressables, I might make a helper class for it. Makes sense, like a loader class, something like that. Resource manager, something around that. Makes sense. Okay, I'm thinking about adding a tail. And I think if I want to add a tail, I will start with the back. Because that's where most of the tail is being seen. And I think I will... That's the question, how do you draw the tail? I think I'll just draw it without the backpack for now. And the layer needs to be underneath the backpack. I think so. It needs to be underneath anything. Well, maybe not the pants. No, sure. Hit me. Well, for now, add a layer here and then we'll see where it goes. Tail. There you go. Like this color, I think. Yeah, probably. Probably. I'll leave it like this for now, though. I kind of like I want to give the player the option to not go with horns. Like I want it to be like an accessory thing. And then if he doesn't go with the horns, he can see enough with the hair, but maybe it's also too much. Maybe it is too much. I'll leave it for now, though. I can still remove it later, you know? It isn't that hard to remove it. It's harder to edit it again. Backpack. Backpack. And the buckle. And the poncho. What the fuck happened here? Yes, I did. I said, sure, you can hit me. I'll take a look at it. It's fine. Also, I need something to drink. Give me a second. I'm gonna go grab some water. We are back. All right, I'm back. Need to fill my, what is this called? I don't know. Drinking bottle. Thank you. It became too hot here, so I'm stopping with the tea and drink water instead. Oh, you sent it to me? Give me a sec. Oh. Let's see. Slurp, nice. I didn't even slurp, I just put the water in. Let's see. Right character instance, okay. I didn't even know that existed. The bottle is slapping, yes. You're using some functions that I didn't even know existed. Does it make sense to use async in Unity? I know it from work, we use it there a lot. But I haven't seen it in Unity yet. Is it useful? Let's say it like that. You wait till it's there, and when it's there, okay. You check if it was successful. If not, you log it. What is this? Okay, you return the result, which is the instance. Okay, makes sense. Okay, 0 allocations. That's crazy. Anyway. Okay, then you just give it a position, and then you get the whatever that is. I like IEnumerator, but yeah, it is. I guess it's too generic. Okay. I mean, it looks good to me. The only thing that kinda annoyed me for a second there was that the name and the transform is lowercase. I think that should be upper, right? But it's like a minor issue. That's just a coding convention thing. Other than that, it looks good. Trying to figure out if I can see something else here. Why are you... Okay, that's a question. Why are you getting the view without using it? The transform is written like... Is it really like that? I've never noticed. Let me check real quick. I already have a character here. Maybe might as well. Jesus. I hate them. I hate them. But, okay. So you said view is for subclasses. But you're not using it though. Oh wait, the view is in this file, right? Is that it? Is it in this, whatever is holding this method, a member variable? It must be, right? Otherwise it would be an error because it's never declared. Okay, yeah, it must be. Okay. It's protected. Okay, whatever. It is there. It belongs to this class. Okay, get it. And you just copied it or saved it for whatever reason. All right. No, I think then that's all good. And it's crazy that I just now noticed that the... Wait, it's because it's structs, isn't it? It's because it's structs? Could that be it? Structs, C# naming conventions. I think that might be it. Is there more here? Why is it opening? I could have sworn I put it on Google. There has to be a reason though, because prefab, for example, is uppercase. And then the name is lower. There has to be a reason. Unity Y is transform lowercase. Identity. It's static. But I don't understand this answer. What? Unity uses camel case notation for property. Yeah, okay. That's why. I can go back. Give me a second, but that should... Hey, Sprite? Oh, you mean I should stop? I'm trying to understand this. Pascal, yes, but those are conventional basically. Yeah, yeah. Those are conventions, but it would be nice if we could use the same conventions everywhere. Okay, hey, Sprite, you're right. Focus. Anyway, code looks good to me. Oh, nice. Which song is it? Tears. Tears. Give me a sec. Tears. Minecraft. Meh, 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 meh. Sure. Okay, this is fucked. Why is this? Oh. Why is it? What happened here? What? Yeah, that much I get it, because you just set the local position to 0 and the rotation to its identity. Okay. Alrighty, let me just... Okay, this is kinda... It's kinda weird. I need to copy this. Maybe copy it from here. Better. And then move it. So Shift H? No, Control H. No? What? Give me a sec. I just want to... Why isn't this working? Do I have to mark it? What the... Oh, it's locked. I should read the error message. Player would be a subclass of walking character class. Yeah, that makes sense, yeah. Addressables released just okay. Yeah, I figured as much. That the wait a sec, release. I don't see release in here. Oh, there's not a picture. I didn't even see that one. Ah! wait. Let me check. I only see one. Give me a sec. Okay. Wait, what about? Okay, here's a question I have. Do you, because I see you use protected variables. I know private fields should be with an underscore and lowercase, right? At least by Microsoft's conventions, right? And public should be uppercase. Yeah, tiers. What do you do with protected? I see that you make them lowercase, but is that actually the right convention? Naming convention C#. Because we don't use that many protected identifiers at our work, so I don't know what the default should be. Identifier name. I hate this, by the way. I hate when you add like a prefix for it. The only thing I would allow is the underscore. Underscore is okay for me because it makes it so that the private fields are at the top of the list. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't need to use M for methods or S for structs, C for classes. Private makes sense. What about protected though? Why is there no? Yeah, it reminds me of C language. I mean, it's okay, you can do it, but I just don't like it. I don't like having redundant information in my naming variables. You know what I mean? The worst thing I've seen is when you have like a database or a table. Let's say that you have a table, let's say player, or maybe item. You have a table item, and then you add a prefix to every column, like item ID, item name, item description. I don't like that. The table is already called item. You can just call the column ID, name, description. You don't need to add the prefix, you know? Same goes for coding. I don't like it to add something that shows you that it's an integer for something. Yeah. Yeah. This should be enough. Also, just a note, Rider tells me when I'm using this without any need to. It keeps like showing up, this is not necessary, remove it. Yeah. Same for me. Just easier, I think. But also I want to give people the freedom to do whatever they want. Private, double, protected. This is a method. Oh, you should not use fields that are protected. I don't know about this. I don't know if I like this. I feel like I found something even worse now that I just want to ignore. I don't want to notice. Yeah. This code usually gave me a good suggestion for set local. Yeah. Set local position. I didn't know about it. It looks good. Yeah, it's a little bit too much. Too much. I think I might close it again. I'll just ignore whatever I just saw, and maybe I'll forget it by tomorrow. I did. I opened it already. Jeez. All right. I don't like that the legs move, but the upper body doesn't. That feels kind of weird. But at the same time, I think it's correct. Yeah, I think that's correct. It looks like it isn't, but I think it is actually. Okay, whatever. I am grounded. No. Then I'm allowed again. Okay, got it. All right, tail. Do I have the horn color? No, I don't. Or maybe I did. I'm just blind. Okay. Wait, why do I not? I think I know what's wrong. Okay. I will need to move this up though. It should be here, I think. I might need to change the order of the... I need to think for a second. When I'm on the front view, then it should be under the body. That's why I'll move it down here. But it should be... The backpack and the buckle should be behind it, I think. I mean, it depends how you draw it, I guess. It's kind of hard because like the tail has depth. There's like a part of the tail that can go behind the backpack and a part that can go in front of it. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna keep it here for now and just figure it out while I go. And I'll change this to be +1 maybe. Okay. Yo, how did that happen? Yo, go back. Okay. So I'm gonna try and make it like a low, like this. You know? Looks like a cross. My brain. Is that Shroud? That's Shroud, isn't it? Yeah, that's Shroud, right? It looks like him at least. Pew, pew, pew. Blasphemy. Oh wait, that's not... Oh wait, actually, I wanted to do it this way, but... Wait, what did I do? Did I do it like this? Cross the devil's tail. I mean, it would need to be like this, right? Because he's a devil. I feel like people would complain if they if I leave it like this. Let me try maybe like this. That looks too short, I feel like. Yeah, I'm trying to do that. I'm trying. But it feels like maybe it's... I don't know which one I like more. Also feel like maybe it should be a little bit thicker. The tail, not the... let me try. You know what I mean? Like this. I could also just do it like this, I guess. Oh, but it looks weird too. It's kind of hard. It'd be hard like this. Ah, wrong button. I don't like that it's like this wide. It looks kind of weird. I think this will be like the size in the game. Looks kind of weird. I make it like single pixel again. Let me check. A lot of things that I did there. A couple of minutes or seconds. I don't know how long it has been. Wait. Okay. That's too big. I kind of like I kind of like it. The upside down cross. But I also think it needs to be thicker. It can't be like this. It's kind of bad. But if I do it like that, then like that maybe. It looks a little bit weird, you know? Yeah. Let me put on the punch on everything. Maybe the horns too. All right, I'm cashing in my 2 minutes of Google. Devil tail pixel art. Give me a sec. That didn't go as fast as planned. I didn't think, you know, there were some, how do you say this? Not safe for work silhouettes, pictures. Yes, that too. It was not pixel art. It was anything but pixel art. I mean, here are some nice tails, but they have way more pixels. Like they have more pixels available. Why is there nuts in here? Oh, I guess fairy tale. Ah, yeah, makes sense. Okay, never mind. I can't find any good. Why is there? Okay. I guess I could do. Oh, I found a nice heart. Maybe you can do it like that. Anyway, let me try this. I'm gonna save this real quick. Let's see. Maybe. I don't want to copy everything, but you know. Let me just remove the poncho and the backpack. Okay. Yeah, I'm not browsing. I'm doing anything but browsing. Maybe I should keep though. But okay, whatever. Like this. And then this. Oh, I see now. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to make it that big. Because it has like I think because it doesn't have outlines. Yeah. Also, this is should be like this. I don't know. It's a little bit too big, right? I think. Let me try something. Where is it? Here. Nah, I don't like it. Okay, let me think. Maybe I can make this shape, but in small. Maybe I can. Kinda hard. I feel like the cross does it for me actually. Kinda weird. You know? I'm gonna save this. Yeah, let me just take a look at the differences between those two. Okay, maybe not with the poncho and not with the backpack. Okay, like this. Yeah, I always did the same thing. Maybe go a little bit more to the right. Because I feel like it's too close. Also, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, let me take the original one, this one. There you go. I feel like we move this maybe here. It doesn't look round enough for me. Learn from me, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's true. That is true. That is true. I guess Hmm. uh, maybe like this. I don't know. I don't know. I kinda like it, but maybe it's too small. Let me see if it's like this big. Okay, I think it's okay-ish, but what I don't like is that it's so it's not roundish. It doesn't feel fluent. Let me see. Like it doesn't feel like it has a natural flow. Feels like it's too calculated. So let me see if I can fix that. I will just create a new layer above it and try make it more flowy. Why? What happened here? Why is the tail? What happened here? Like, we have. Wait, do I have to edit to 2 now? Yo. Okay, I didn't know that's how it worked. Okay, see, that's weird. I think I'm gonna skip this song. Not in the mood for it right now. Also not in the mood for this one. I don't know this one. Something Blue is good. Sure. I'm down to hear new songs. Give me a song. Okay, I don't want the same song again. Okay, how do I? No, it's only one, right? Okay. Why is it not? Now it's working. Okay. I wish I had my graphic tablet right now. I don't like any of. What do you think? I like this part. I don't like this. Maybe like this. And then make it red. Let me try. Turned angel. I just wanted to have a different color, that's all. For a second. Mm. 33. I'm an old fuck. I'm like 1 year away from being in grave, right? I will die next year. Oh yeah, Jesus. That's like the meme, right? That people that are old, like 30 years old, will die in a couple of years. I guess I can retire next year. And then I have like 1 year to live and then I'm dead. I wish it was like that, man. Nah, maybe not really, but I wish I could retire next year. That's what I meant. I don't wish I could die next year. That would be awful. No, I do not. If I had, I probably, I don't know, would I stream? Feels like if I had a kid, I would take time with my kid instead. You know what I mean? Like it's like more important, and I probably wouldn't be working on the game. I think. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Like I'd rather be there for my kid and see them grow up than missing it because I'm working all the time and then regretting it when they're all grown up. I guess, yeah. Wait, if I had a kid, we wouldn't have met. Probably, yeah. I mean, go for go for it. Even if it's a bad joke, it is what it is. You know, it's all fun and games here. No, okay, whatever. I will not, do what you think is right. All right. I think it looks kind of weird. I mean, I don't know what you had in mind, but I know it's a joke, so I can take it. But if you feel uncomfortable with it, you don't need to push yourself, I guess. I think I'll leave it like this. I think I'm happy with the tail for now. Well, so we have this one, and we have this one. We have this one, and we have this one. I'm not so sure anymore. I mean, this one looks like kind of tiny, like a little. This one looks better. Though I might change. Oh, what did I do just there? What did I press that it looked weird? The tiny one is better for now, really. Trying to figure out like. Hmm. I mean, I don't mind it. The only thing I don't like is that this is diagonal. It's too diagonal here. Wait, give me a sec. Maybe I can like move this like there. Maybe that helps. And then I'll try to make it like the top of it shorter. Ah, misclicking. Lower body needs to be there. Okay, long, short, long, short, long, short. I mean, it's not that much different. So if I do it like this, I guess. And I guess I could, where is it? That's what I did, right? On the other one? Yeah. It's like I wish I had like shortcuts for that. It feels like I don't know. Kind of hard to tell. Okay, I'll try one more thing. No, I think I like this way more, but kind of hard clicking on these fucking layers. Okay. Yeah, I think now it's almost the same. It's just a little bit more curvature to it. Yeah, I think I'll keep the other one now. All right. I think we got our next top tail. There you go. All right. Let me think. How would that look from the front now? Also, let me take a look at everything from behind first. Here. Should the backpack be above the hair? Wondering. Backpack. 10. Maybe not 10. Maybe 10. What do you think? Should the backpack be... I think it should, right? The hair shouldn't be on the backpack. Looks good? Okay. Thank you. Alrighty. Tail. Still on the tail. Okay, I need to flip the tail around, I think. To the left. Like this. Also, remove the thing. Why is it... Oh, it is behind the... I'm guessing you don't see the tail because the poncho is in the way. No, it's the legs. The legs and the poncho is in the way. It looks weird. But I think if I add some movement to it, maybe it will be better. I'll leave it like this for now. Now I will not animate the tail yet. I'll just keep it here as a starting point. Okay. What will it look like from here? I'm thinking, I think it should be more, should go closer. So what was the button to move anything? Is it V? V? Yeah, it's V. Okay, so like this. And then I guess erase everything else. That's too much. Like that. I don't know if I like that. Hmm. You cooked with, I cooked with it. Like I'm cooked, or is it good, or am I bad? What do you? Hmm. Yeah, I know. I know the term "you cooked," like he's cooking. I know that, right? I might actually then exit as accurate, yeah. But there's also the term when somebody is bad, he's cooked. That is also, you know what I mean? There's also the he's cooked, you know? It's like a double-edged sword. It depends how you use it. Well, that's why I'm asking you. But I get it now that you meant that I cooked. Like I did it. I did a good job. Wait, why? What am I doing? What? What? Okay, I was confused there. That kind of looks bad. I think maybe that's why. Hmm. Maybe, just maybe. Hear me out. Looks kind of weird though. Hmm. Okay. Enough Linkin Park. Also enough of that. And sometimes I'm getting weird songs on this. Like I have the Smart Shuffle on Spotify, and it sometimes adds some weird songs to the shuffle. I think it looks okay. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and we'll see where it goes. Okay, now the other way. Need to think now. I think we just don't show the tail on this one. Does it make sense? Do you think adult life is fun? It's not a good question. It's an It's kind of hard to answer. I think it has its ups and downs. I missed the time when I was in university because I feel like I had more time for myself, more freedom, more free time. I feel like even though studying was hard at university, I still had more time doing what I wanted than now where I have a job and have to work 8 hours a day. At least that's how I feel about it. Right? Like if I think about it, I'm pretty sure I never had to stay at the university for 8 hours a day. Pretty sure. Sure, you had to study a little bit at home and stuff, but I think mostly I had lots of free time. I could do lots of things back then. What do you think? Aw, that's a good way to see it. I also wouldn't say that I'm like not having fun right now. It's a up and down, but it's mostly right. I think work related. The downs, I think. I feel like if I could work for myself, I would be happier. I think. I'm not sure, but I think. You know what I mean? Like, I don't mind working for somebody else, but it's different when you work for yourself and you have like a goal that you want to achieve. Because right now I'm working for somebody else. I'm not trying to achieve a goal for me. I'm trying to achieve a goal for them. When you're younger, you do get more free time, but that time you spend being busy is being spent for the world to be happy. Unless you do. Yeah. I guess so, yeah. But it also feels like you're not doing much. Like I could spend the rest of my life working for a company, and it feels like it wouldn't have changed a thing if somebody else did it for them. You know what I mean? That's what it feels like. At least, like in the grand scheme of things, like I'm there, I'm doing something. It is helpful, but I think anybody else, any other programmer could also do this job. It's not something that gets better just because I work at it. In a way. Anyway, enough talking about that stuff. I'm generally happy. I'm having lots of fun. It's not only like that bad that I just described it, you know what I mean? It's all good. It's ups and downs, like I said. I also had lots of fun this week at work. We did a lot of cool stuff today too. New stuff, something new learned, something new achieved, I also like my coworkers. It's just that goal thing that kind of is nagging on me. But it is what it is. Let me see if I'm done with this shit. Yes, I am. And this one I will remove for now. And I will save it. Okay. I will stop the stream here. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for having a talk. Thank you for showing me a little bit of your code. It was interesting. And yeah, see you next time.